सो हाय गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल क्वेश्चन रूफू तरुण। आज की वीडियो में हम एक बहुत ही अमेजिंग रूम टूर करने वाले हैं। आफ्टर बुर्ज अल अरब, ये एक लग्जरी डेस्टिनेशन होटल दुबई में जहाँ पे हमने स्टे किया था, दैट वाज एटलांटिस द रॉयल दुबई। उसका रूम टूर हम आज देने वाले हैं। मैंने बहुत मेहनत की है, बहुत ही डिटेल वीडियो बनाई है। आई होप यू विल लाइक इट। लेट्स गो टू द वीडियो। Okay, so we are going to do a room tour now. We have already got the keys. And come with me, I'll show you the room of Atlantis the Royal. So this is our room. I'll just hide the room number for the security reasons. Okay, so this is the room key. Look how beautiful they have given it in the pouch. This is how you pull it out. और हम अपना कार्ड लगाएंगे। जन्नत है, be ready guys. Come on in. So this is the entry wherein you come and you keep your room keys here. They've given a nice purse over here. You can leave your wallet here. Long looking mirror. See the sculptures. ये same sculptures हमारे reception पे भी थे, बहुत सारे, and उसी को डिजाइन करके beach particles पे बनाया हुआ है। Like beach पे stones होते हैं, ऐसे ही। Now we'll start with the washroom because that comes first. और यही सबसे बढ़िया चीज है। Come on. Come on. We'll start with the bathtub. Look how beautiful is it. They've given a towel, they've given a cushion over there. Soap. Guys, मैं soap उठा इसलिए रहा हूँ, I know हर bathtub में होता है, but look at the brand. Graf. If you go online और search करोगे इस brand को, you will get to know how expensive the products are. Now, look what else they have provided. Bath salts, tub को fill करके आप इसमें bath salt डाल सकते हैं. Your loofah brush to rub. See, it's all gold plated. How beautiful they have designed. Each and every detailing. Atlantis the Royal Dubai. Ultimate luxury, ultimate. They've given the hard loofah as well. दो mini towels, and now come towards the shaving kit. All gold. Toothbrush, all gold. Look at this. Beauty defined with perfection. मतलब हर एक चीज में इतनी डिटेलिंग है. Toothpaste. Look at the comb. Look at the packaging. ऐसे नहीं comb खाली छोड़ी हुई है. Packaging. Look at this. All gold. Not real gold, but yeah, gold plated. But this is just to give it a spectacular look. Nail kit. They have vanity kit. They have mouthwash. You name it. Water bottle, glasses. Again, Graf soap. Graf body lotion. Everything like branded. मतलब ऐसा लग रहा है कि मैं कहीं किसी राजा महाराजा के घर पे आ गया हूँ. You have the mirror over here. If you want to have a close look deeper towards your skin. Now we'll check. This is like commode area. I'll not open this, but I'll show you the shower area. Come on. See how beautiful everything has been designed. Again, Graf toiletries, conditioner, shampoo, shower gel. It looks really fantastic. All royal. And now we'll head and move out. So you have all the controls over here. Vanity light if you want to turn on, bathroom on and off, relax scene. A little bit light would be on if you want to make some mood for yourself if you're staying as a couple or family. So I'll switch it on. Bathroom again on. Now we'll move further ahead. Iron your clothes accordingly. You have the torch as well. In case if you are going by the beach in the night time, you have the torch as well that you can take from the room. See how powerful it is. How beautifully this has been designed. ये कोई सस्ती टॉर्च नहीं लग रही है, ये टॉर्च भी बहुत एक्सक्लूसिव है. Now, look at the wardrobe and the storage area. I'll just open it. Look at this. Come on in. Our luggage was already here before we came into the room. I didn't knew it. First thing that I see is the thing that I love, Atlantis Royal lint roller. whenever you keep your clothes inside your bag है, जब वो पुराने कपड़े और नए कपड़े इकट्ठे होते हैं, then you have lint on your clothes that you can remove it. You have your shoe shiner, a little cute shoe shiner. Laundry. If you want to send your clothes to laundry, you can keep it here. This is again laundry. And you have a cute little pen. मतलब किस nitty-gritty से define करा हुआ है ना इन चीजों को. Keep the pen back. Then you have the bathrobes. Fred. Since 1960. If you search this brand, मैंने तो आने से पहले कर लिया था. If you search this brand, you will get to know that किस brand के इन्होंने bathrobe रखे हुए हैं. मैंने तो एक चीज मैंने और मेरी वाइफ ने सर्च मारी हुई है. So this is the luggage and we have hangers over here so that we can hang on our clothes. So I'll just move this luggage out so that I could see what else is there in the drawers. Okay, beach bag. Come on, man. Literally, you guys have been defining the luxury at its best. Look at this beach bag that my wife can carry. Beach में जाना हो, you can keep your clothes inside this. And it's not low quality. See, इसकी quality देखो. मैं इसको साथ लेके जा रहा हूँ. Whenever I go to beach. Okay, I'll keep this back. Pull that back in. What else is there? Look at this. Look at this. Slippers. White with gold and the gold pattern on the sole. Then a gold slipper with all gold nipples. Look at this. ये कहाँ मिलती है चीजें? This can only be found in Dubai and only at Atlantis the Royal. पैसा बहुत छोटा है इस country में. I will check another drawers. I'm giving you a brief room tour so that सब कुछ पता हो आप लोगों को. Empty. We can keep our storage things here. This is also empty. हम अपना सामान रख सकते हैं. Then wardrobe आपने देख ही लिया. Okay. Now moving out. See. They have given the exact view how the hotel looks like from your TV itself. Because अब जब नीचे आते हो आपको पूरा नहीं दिखता because there are trees and everything and you are at the lower level. So you can stream anything. आपको इस प्रॉपर्टी के बारे में कुछ भी जानना हो, you just click in room wellness. They can do wellness inside your room as well. See, yoga sessions, chapters, they have everything pre-recorded over here. So बहुत कुछ है टीवी में देखने के लिए. I will not go down to the nitty-gritty because मेरे को और भी बहुत कुछ दिखाना है आपको इस रूम में. This is the mini bar. Okay. हम बचपन से काफी होटल्स में रहे हैं, हमने बहुत मिनी बार्स देखे हैं, राइट? हम क्या करते हैं, कभी कभी हम मिनी बार से चीज़ ले लेते हैं और नीचे पता चल जाता है, हम बता देते हैं, वो चार्ज कर लेते हैं. मैं इसमें से कुछ हाथ लगा के निकालूंगा नहीं बिकॉज राइट नाउ शी टोल्ड मी इफ आई पुल एनीथिंग आउट आई वोंट बी एबल टू पुट इट बैक और मेरे को चार्ज हो जाएगा जैसे ही मैं बाहर निकालूंगा चीज़ को. रीज़न, लोग बहुत समझदार हैं, हम सब ने देखे हैं. लोग निकाल लेते हैं, पी लेते हैं जब जरूरत होती है, उसके बाद मार्केट से ला के नया रख देते हैं. यू कांट डू इट ओवर हियर. इफ यू पुल आउट एनीथिंग फ्रॉम द मिनी बार इट्स ऑल सेंसर और ये नीचे चला जाएगा उनके पास कि हमने ये चीज़ पुल आउट कर ली है मिनी बार में से. सो इट्स वेरी गुड थिंग दैट दे आर डूइंग. अगर किसी को चाहिए तो पिए, बिंदास पिए, बट अगर ये सोच के पिए कि वापस रख दूंगा, नो, ये यहाँ पे वर्क नहीं करेगा बिकॉज इट्स लग्जरी एट इट्स बेस्ट. दिस इज ऑल्सो द मिनी बार. यू हैव चॉकलेट्स, किंडर जॉयज, मिक्स्ड नट्स, पॉपकॉर्न्स, पोटैटो चिप्स, एंड व्हाट इज हियर? यू हैव कंप्लीट बार एसेसरीज ओवर हियर. ये मेरा फेवरेट है. Everything is there. Wine glasses, champagne glasses, whiskey glasses, beer glasses, wine opener, stirrer. मतलब क्या क्या मिलेगा? And this is just to store your things. Now we have a gift from Atlantis the Royal. This is the gift that we have. I'll slowly open it. Look at this. Again gold. Beautifully designed. Look at this beautiful bottle. Fragrance. I'll just keep it aside. And what does this say? See, welcome to the place where something incredible happens at every moment. This is your story of lifetime and we want you to feel right at home. Please let us know if there is anything we can do for you while you are at Atlantis the Royal. Everyone must have heard about a word, personal touch. This room this property is full of personal touch. They will make you feel like this is your home. Now a little bit of view this side as well. We have tea, coffee, everything, coffee maker, water, everything is available. Then coffee utensils, cup, plates, hot bottle. Now this remote has a lot to do, because what I'm going to do with this remote, before that I would like you to see the room view, the bed view. We have a little sitting couch over here where we can go ahead and sit. Look at the bed. मैं अभी तक बैठा नहीं हूँ, but I will sit and let you know how comfortable it is. Wow. Can you see my neck, how it is going inside the pillow? I am feeling so relaxed already on this bed. It is like best class services, best class in-house material that they have. Now again, we have this control panel right next to your bed. You can switch on the lights from here. You can switch on the reading lights, day relax scene if you want some little bit dim lights, terrace light on and off, wall lights, light night, everything. You don't need to trouble yourself for doing anything. आपको just a click पे जाना. See how beautiful they have designed everything. Everything is beach. Like palm पे जैसा सब कुछ होता है ना. Look at the table now. How it has been crafted. Like the stones that we find near the palm. ये एक स्टोन की शेप में टेबल कैसे क्राफ्ट करी है, एंड इट्स एवरीवेयर. सोफा इज ऑल्सो बिट रिलैक्सिंग. सी आई कैन इजीली स्प्रेड माई लेग्स एंड lie down. Then we have a little table where we can have a chit chat, have some drinks, and a phone again. Now let's look at this. A notepad and a pen again. You want to write something about your travel, what do you want to explore in the hotel, आप सब कुछ कर सकते हो. You want to do your office work. Then again we have in-room dining menu, everything gold. Let me be honest, everything gold. And then this is in their language, the Arabic language, the menu. Then we have again, see, paper, so that if you want to make a note, if you want to send something in the envelope, you have everything over here. Now let's open this. What's inside there? Guys, they already have given you a charger. You don't need to bring any charger for your phone if you are coming over here. This is literally what means like feeling at home. I mean, impressive. Then they have some magazines that you can read out. And this is about the room. Now the best part comes. I would move behind a little bit so that I can give you the good view. Okay. Now comes the magic. You have the remote from which I was operating the television. Now, if I press on drape, the first thing will happen. Drape, open. So the heart curtain, which gives you the shadow, is opening up. Now, I will make the balcony nude, pressing on sheer and then open. See how far the technology has gone. Now, let's move to the balcony. That is the best thing, and that is why we planned to stay 2 nights over here, so that we could get a spectacular view. You open the latches, you open the lock, and you are in heaven. Let me tell you, you are in heaven. Now I'll ask ma'am to go ahead and give a perfect view of the palm. The entire leg of the palm is visible. So if you can place it towards the fountain, and this is the same technology and same people who have designed the fountain at the Burj Khalifa, the fountain that we go and see. This is the same fountain. In the night, the fountain show happens each and every 30 minutes, and you can see the same lighting and the same pattern of fountain that works at Burj Khalifa. And if we move around, you can see 1, 2. If you can see 9 pools that I can see, that I can point out. Look at this. I'm scared to pull out my phone, but can you see this? This is the infinity pool which gives you what view? This palm view. Look at this. The entire palm view. I'll just zoom out and give you the entire view. भाई मैंने ना मतलब फर्स्ट वीडियो बनाई है किसी के रूम टूर देने के लिए, मतलब इतनी डिटेल में, और शायद मैं नया ही स्टार्ट करा मैंने ये सब, बट आई हैव गिवन यू द नॉलेज इन द बेस्ट इंटरेस्ट दैट आई कैन. और ये देखो, आई मीन दिस प्रॉपर्टी इज़ लग्जरी का दी एंड. आई नो इससे भी अच्छी प्रॉपर्टी है एक, एंड दैट इज़ बुल्गारी होटल, which is the most expensive hotel, I think, what I've heard yesterday. But look at this. Look at the view. And this is the only point जहाँ से मैंने sky dive करी थी. And I was at the Palm. So this was a room tour. And I'll give you the hotel tour. वो उसकी अलग से वीडियो डलेगी. Till then, I hope you guys have a good time and enjoy this video, because मैंने मेहनत करी है इस पे, and I want you guys to enjoy and give your real time feedback so that I can improve. Thank you. आई होप आप सबको ये वीडियो अच्छी लगी होगी. अच्छी लगी होगी तो लाइक करिएगा, सब्सक्राइब करिएगा, शेयर करिएगा और नोटिफिकेशन बेल आइकन जरूर प्रेस करना, बिकॉज मैं बहुत मेहनत कर रहा हूं एंड आई नो इट्स माय न्यू चैनल, तो आपको बाद नोटिफिकेशन आ जाएगी कि कब मेरी नई वीडियो आएगी. थैंक यू सो मच एंड आई होप यू गाइज हैव अ लवली लाइफ.